all are doing great. In previous lecture video, we are learned that how a network can be designed. So in this lecture video, we are learned that the VLAN. So for here is the information for every VLAN, and to identify every VLAN easily, we can color every VLAN. So let's get started. How we color the VLAN. So then this pink one is VLAN 20, and yellow one is VLAN 10. And for this orange one, the VLAN is 25. Okay, we design every VLAN. So how we configure the VLAN? So we uh, configure the VLAN in switch. So for here are three types of here are three switches. So first click on the switches, and in CLI form we write the command. So first en and then config t. Okay, and now we are in configure terminal. So in switch 1 there are three VLAN 20, VLAN 25, and VLAN 10, 10, 25, and 20. Okay, three different type of VLAN. So first we do for the VLAN is first create the VLAN. So how we create the VLAN? So first we see the command for VLAN. First VLAN equal to VLAN number. Then we can give any name for this VLAN. It is optional. You can choose if you want, and if you want to don't use it, you don't use it. Okay. So the command is VLAN space VLAN number and name equal to your desired any type of name. Okay, so then interface name, switch port mode access, and switch port access VLAN number. Okay, so let's start it with the command. So first the command is to create the VLAN. So how we create the VLAN? VLAN equal to VLAN number. So VLAN equal to VLAN 10, VLAN space 10, enter, and then we can give a name for this VLAN. So name space A. So you can use any name as you want. So name A, and then create VLAN 20, enter, and name is B. Okay, the typing mistake. Again, VLAN 20, enter, then name B, enter, then create VLAN 25, the name equal to, okay. In switch 1 we create the VLAN and then config the VLAN. So how we config the VLAN? Here is the command. We can config the VLAN interface and interface name. So write it interface 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 name. So for this, the first interface is FA01. Okay. So write interface and interface name FA01. 1 and enter switch port mode access, enter switch port access VLAN. Switch port access VLAN and then VLAN number. VLAN number is 10. Okay. So if a 0 1 if a 0 slash 1 is under the VLAN 10. So here I write interface name, switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN, and it is under 10 number of VLAN. So I write here VLAN 10. Okay. Then enter. So I will again do the same task for this PC. So this PC is under VLAN 20. So I write interface. So you can write interface or INT as you want. So INT, then interface name. Interface name is AP02. A0 slash 2. Then switch port, mode access, enter, then switch port access VLAN. Switch port access VLAN and VLAN number. VLAN number is 20. Enter. Then again for VLAN 25 here is connected with the switch 1. So I write here INT, enter, interface name, and here in VLAN 25 there is two interface for this PC. The interface number is FS03 and for this PC the interface number is FS04. So when in any VLAN the VLAN number is immediate the next number, so you can write it as range. Okay, as VLAN 3 and VLAN 25 uh, in FS03 and FS04 interface is under the VLAN 25, so we can write this as range 3 to 4, as 3 and 4 is under the VLAN 25. So we cannot do the interface command twice. Okay, so we can write is as range 3 and 4. So int range if a0 slash 3 to 4, enter, then switch port mode access, switch port mode access, switch port mode access, enter, then write switch port access VLAN. Switch port access VLAN and the number is 25. Enter. Okay. And if a 01, if a 02, 03, 03 and 04 interface we are done with the configuration, and another interface is FA05. So FA05 interface is connected to another switch here. So another switch with the port with the interface is FA0 slash 1. So when switch is connected to another switch, then we use the trunk. Okay, so how we configure it? int if interface name if a0 slash 5, enter, then we write the command switch port mode trunk. Okay, so again we see the what we do in the video. In this video we learn that the VLAN process. So how VLAN process work? First the command is VLAN and space VLAN number. So we write here VLAN 20, VLAN space VLAN number is 20. Then we can give any name to the VLAN, as we name is a name space B. Okay. Then interface name, interface, here we write interface, uh, then interface name is fa0/1. The switch port mode access, and switch port access VLAN space VLAN number. Switch port access VLAN number is 10. Okay. And when we connect the switch, then the VLAN command will be interface name switch port mode trunk. Okay.